Practice is located in the eastern part of Holland, near the city of Almelo. And we're working there with 9 colleagues, but 3 of them are working in the swine practice. And we visit regular base two farms a day. In our part of Holland there are not so big farms. It depends on 200 till 1,000. At the beginning of there were a lot of trouble and clinical signs by the weaned piglets, and they were associated with the PRRS virus, and we confirmed that by ELISA and the PCR test. After a few years we decided to change the vaccination program, and we started a new program, and that was 60 days with the modified live vaccine, and on the 90 days of gestation the PROGRESSIS. The routine vaccine was all Dutch farms used the 660 strategy, and that is with the modified live vaccine. The results at that time were that there were clinical signs at 4 weeks, and they were related to the PRRS virus, because the samples were positive for the PRRS virus at 4 weeks old. In the old situation, and then we changed the vaccination program. And after 1 year we did the same monitoring by the piglets, and then we saw at the age of 10 weeks that only at that age there were positive in the pairs PCR test. The antibodies in the beginning were very high by the piglets, because they got a lot of antibodies from the sow. And in the old situation, it was low, so we could compare that. The mortality was decreasing. There was a mortality of 5%, and after 1 year, the mortality by the weaned piglets was decreasing to less than 1%. So there was an enormous improvement. Also, the use of the antibiotics are reduced with more than 50% by the weaned piglets. Also, the productivity, the reproduction, there was an increasing. We started with 29 piglets per sow, and after the introducing of this new strategy, there was 31 piglet per sow. So that is a good improvement.